You finally decided to transform your body, but now you're stuck between two worlds. Calisthenics, or the gym. One side has people doing crazy muscle ups and handstands like superheroes. The other side has massive dudes lifting weights that look impossible to move. Both build strength, both build muscle, but they create completely different physiques. And today, we're breaking down which one is actually better for you. First, let's talk about calisthenics. This is body weight training. Push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, no fancy machines, no expensive equipment, just your body fighting against gravity. And the best part, you can train almost anywhere. Your room, a park, a playground, anywhere. As you get stronger, you unlock advanced movements like muscle-ups, front levers, handstands, and even the planche. That's why calisthenics athletes look so athletic and controlled. Their bodies move like machines. Now let's switch to the gym. The gym is all about external resistance. Barbells, dumbbells, machines, cables, everything is designed to progressively overload your muscles. And that's important because progressive overload is one of the fastest ways to build muscle. You lift heavier over time. Your body grows over time. Simple. That's why bodybuilders and powerlifters spend most of their time in the gym. Because when it comes to pure muscle size, the gym usually wins, especially for legs. Let's be honest, bodyweight squats are great, but they're not replacing heavy barbell squats anytime soon. Now let's talk money, because this changes everything for a lot of people. Calisthenics is basically free. Gravity doesn't charge monthly fees. You don't need machines. You don't need a fancy setup, maybe a pull-up bar. That's it. The gym, on the other hand, can get expensive fast. Monthly memberships, supplements, gym clothes, pre-workout, and if you build a home gym, good luck to your wallet, but here's where things get interesting. For beginners, the gym is usually easier. Why? Because calisthenics forces you to lift your full body weight immediately, and most beginners struggle with that. A lot of people can't even do one clean pull-up. Meanwhile, in the gym, you can start small. Light dumbbells, machines, cable exercises, everything can be adjusted to your level. That makes progress easier to track, and fast progress keeps people motivated. Now let's talk aesthetics. Calisthenics athletes usually look lean, athletic, and extremely functional. Gym lifters usually carry more overall muscle mass and thickness, especially in the chest, shoulders, and legs. So the real question becomes, what kind of body do you want? Because both methods work, they just create different results. Now let's talk fat loss, and this is where most people get confused, because neither calisthenics nor the gym is the magic solution. If your diet is terrible, nothing will save you. You can do 100 push-ups every day. You can lift weights 6 times a week. But if your nutrition sucks, your results will suck too. Training builds the body. Diet reveals it. That's the truth. Now, another important thing people ignore is consistency. Because the best workout program in the world means nothing if you quit after 2 weeks. Calisthenics gives you freedom. You can train anywhere at any time, but the gym gives you atmosphere, the music, the energy, the environment. For a lot of people, that environment pushes them harder, and honestly, that matters more than people think. Now let's kill one huge myth. Weightlifting does not stunt your growth. That's internet nonsense. And calisthenics is not automatically safer either. Bad form causes injuries, not the training style itself. If your technique is clean, both are safe and effective. So, which one should you choose? If you want maximum muscle size and faster progression, the gym is probably better for you. If you want athletic movement, body control, and freedom, calisthenics is amazing. But honestly, the smartest option might be combining both, because you get strength, mobility, muscle, and athleticism together. At the end of the day, the best workout is the one you can stay consistent with. Train hard, stay disciplined, and your body will transform no matter which path you choose.